Hi there. I'm going to try and play Three Little Birds. I'm new. It's 3 chords. I will mess up, and it's okay. All right, let's try this. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun. 3 little birds tripped on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody's pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. 3 little birds slipped on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody's pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. You could laugh. I'm laughing at myself.